Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to factor the expression x power 2 plus 7x plus 10. Alright, so let me explain this. To factor this expression, we need to find the numbers, two numbers that multiply 10, and add up 7. Okay. These numbers are 2 and 5. Since two by 5 is equal to 10, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Hope you can see. Now, we can rewrite the expression as follows: x power 2 plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to bracket x power 2 plus 2x bracket plus bracket 5x plus 10 bracket. Hope you guys were following. Now, what next? Next, we can factor out greatest common factor from each group. Okay, that is as you can see, we are going to factor out the greatest common from each group. Okay, so that is x bracket x plus 2 bracket plus 5 bracket x plus 2 bracket. Okay, so if you have noticed, we now have a common factor of x, bracket x plus 2. So if you have noticed, we have now a common factor of bracket x plus 2 bracket in both groups. We can factor this out and simplify the expression. So bracket x plus 2 bracket x plus 5 bracket. Okay, so in conclusion, the factor form, the factor form of x power 2 plus 7x plus 10 is bracket x plus 2 bracket x plus 5 bracket. All right, and that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more mathematics videos. Thank you for watching. See you.